Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your name on your account on Signal easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and now click on your profile section, and here we find your profile. So click here. Now you can change your name as you want, and you can add your last name. It's optional if you want. So click save and then it will be saved. So that's it. That's how to change your name on your account on Signal easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.